Hey guys, welcome back to MKC Electronics. Today I'm doing something different than normally. Well, actually, it's not different. We're still upgrading and playing around with computer. So this one is a laptop. It's a HP Pavilion gaming laptop with a Ryzen 4000 series mobile CPU, GTX 1650 4 gig dedicated video card, 8 gig DDR4, and 256 M.2. It's about 15.4 or 15.6. I don't know now, but I will leave full specification in down below in descriptions. What I know is how IPS panel, and it's how just 250 gig megabyte, 250 256 gigabytes M.2 drive, which is not enough for today's standards. So we're going with 1 terabyte silicon power SD, not SD, SSD. Guys, it's after midnight. I'm a little bit out of my way. Yeah. So yeah, I did already disassemble this because I wasn't even sure if it will fit any other additional drives. So the way how I will be assembling that's the way how you disassemble anyway. So you can follow that. So when you open the laptop, yeah, so you opening because the cover have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 screws. 4 of them at the back long ones, 3 of them in front short ones. But you will see me putting them in because I will be assembling that for you on a camera. Then once you open that, you remove the screws. Then you need to go around with your nail so it's pop around. So you undo the cover. Then it will be a battery here. You disconnect the battery here. Now. Here you disconnect battery, you undo the screw, pop up the battery, put it on side so it's safe. Then you will be greeted with this placeholder 2.5-inch lookalike of hard drive SSD, and it will have all appropriate screws, so 4 screws for your drive, and will be sitting in this caddy. And I have my SSD already in the caddy. And now it goes like this. So with the power on the right side from your view, it's the right side. I'll put the 4 screws to here, and other side too, so it's all nice and tidy in a caddy. Let's see which one goes there. Maniki Baniki. No, I'm just joking. I know which one these are. So yeah, the laptop was 650 pounds, and apparently I don't know which screws are going in. Okay. 650 pounds at the time being when he did purchase that, and that's actually was his budget. That was the best what we could choose for the budget, and I think he did purchase good machine for the money. Obviously it was because he didn't want everything brand new with warranty, so it is what it is. If we did go with open box or a slightly used, we could probably get better specs. But he don't have that for video games. For video games, he have a fully fledged Ryzen 7 3000 series with RTX 2070 and all that jazz. So he needs this one for homeworks and light gaming, like for Rocket League, let's say. Well, don't get me wrong. This laptop, I believe, it's capable even of Red Dead Redemption. If you play with the settings around. But yeah, this is homework laptop. So I don't even know why he wanna actually that 1 terabyte drive, but we'll see. I'll put the 1 terabyte in, and it sits here. I'll put these. It was 3 screws, and probably these black ones. server ones, because they go flush. Okay. With these ones. Yeah, I don't remember exactly which screws are going where, because I did this disassemble this laptop like a week ago, and then I put it in shelf when it's sitting since there, and I was waiting for the drive and for me to have a time actually put the drive in. Okay. Okay. This one. Why? But it's not. Let's see this one. Okay, let's put the connector in there. So you snap it on the drive, lift up the bar here. I have it already lifted. Put it in. Nice and aligned. Yep, that's done. That's it. Make sure I didn't disconnect anything wrong. Nope, it doesn't look like. Let's slap the battery back in. Yep. Okay. Put the screws back in. The battery. Okay. Yep. That's it. All screws for the battery are in. And now let's connect the battery back in to the place. It's back in. Set the cable in the spot. Yep. Okay, I have the last 7 screws here, which are for the top cover, but with the laptops, it's the same thing like for the desktop. You don't put last screws for the cover on before you test it. Before, that's a bad juju. That's a bad luck. At least in my experience. Then I end up always turning. It always turns that way that I have to disassemble at the end because I forgot something. Let's see if it sees the drive. If it will even turn on. If I didn't break something there. So far nothing. Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. CMOS check some SNMO. CMOS will be reset the default configuration and will be rebooted. Please check your BIOS setup section to see if they have changed. CMOS reset. Enter. Reboot the system. Okay. I don't know what that was about. Not a clue. Oh, okay. I did remove the battery for a week. Oopsie. Okay. see. Yep, because I did remove the battery for a week or so. So yeah, see if it's, this is the terabyte drive. Nope, not yet. So let's go find it, if we even have it. Go control panel. It's difficult to navigate like this. So you go control panel, system and security, then you go administrative tools, then you go computer management, disk management. Yay! We get the terabyte. It's dedicated. Okay, it did see the terabyte. Recognize it. So it's unlocated space at the moment. So we will do new simple volume. Next. Next. Give it letter D. Next. Next. Finish. Perfection. Does the formatting. Okay. That takes a while. Why? Why did it take so long? Okay, we have it here. Perfect. Certainly they took somehow weirdly long to format that empty drive, but yeah, whatever, it's new drive. It's first time format, so maybe that's why. Alright guys, so only what is left now, it's to load bunch of games on it, and there we go. We have now officially expand the storage. So now we have a 256 gigabyte of NVMe for the system, and a sweet 1 terabyte for the games and all that clutter. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.